Good morning to all of you. We have done this topic determinant. In this topic, many parts we have done. Minor cofactors we done, and what is the use of the minors and cofactors that we will do today. Okay, and that is the most important use of the minor and cofactor. Is the one part is to find the adjoint of the matrix. Now the determinant and matrix will be mixed format will be, so both we have to do the matrix and determinants, so you should know the rules for the matrix and determinant combined. You will not do confused for this. Look here, adjoint of a matrix, what we have to find adjoint of the matrix, how we can find. Look here, a matrix is given to you. This matrix is given 2 into 2 matrix. 2 into 2 matrix is given. First row is a11 a12, second row is a21 a22. Now you have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint you can write short form ADJ only. ADJ of A means adjoint of A. That will be a matrix will be again that you will write small a11, place of there you will write capital A11. Now what is the capital A11? You know, capital A11 is cofactor of a small a11. Capital A12 is cofactor of small a12. Capital A21 is cofactor of small a2. Capital A22 is cofactor of small a22. So you have to find all the cofactor of all the 4 elements and you write as it is, and then you find the transpose. Transpose means this row will change in column, this second row will change in second column. So this final whatever you get, that is called the adjoint of A. So all of you understand this, how to find adjoint A. Adjoint A means for each elements you will find the cofactors and you will write again, and then you find the transpose, that is the called the adjoint A. Okay, next is if you are given 3 into 3 matrix, then how we can find the adjoint of that 3 into 3 matrix. Look here, 3 into 3 means 9 elements are given, and for all the 9 elements we have to find the cofactors, means we will get 9 cofactors. First is capital A11, capital A12, capital A13. The next for second row you will find the cofactors, that you get capital A21, capital A22, capital A23. For third row you will find the cofactor, that will be A31, capital A32, capital A33. Then you find the transpose of these. Transpose means first row will become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third column, and that final you will get, that is called the adjoint of the matrix. We will take one example. In this example, find adjoint of the matrix. This matrix is given to you. You have to find the adjoint of this, and this is a 2 into 2 matrix is given to you. Look here, for that this matrix we can write here A. What do we write? A. A is a matrix 1, first row is 1 2, second row is 3 4. Okay, and now this is 2 into 2 means what we have to find here? Capital A11, capital A12. This is for first row. Second row will be capital A21, capital A22. 4 cofactors we have to find. 4 cofactors. And how we find? Look here, this is the 1 plus 1 is even number. Even number means here plus. Odd number minus. Odd number minus 2 is 4. 4 is a even number, that is plus. So that first you keep the sign. And then you can write direct also. Look here, this determinant you can make. Now 1 1, capital A11 means cofactor of this. How we can find? First row and first column we will not take. First row and first column. First row and first column we will not take. What to get? 4. And that determinant of 4 is 4. All you understand? Next is A12 means first row and second column we will not take. First row, second column we will not take. You get 3. So what you get? Minus 3. Next is A21. Look here, this is not a modulus sign. This is a determinant sign. Determinant means this is a 1 into 1 determinant. You write direct the value. Whatever you have here, we write as it is. If you have minus 3 write 4 you have 4 you write as it is, you write. A21, 21 means second row and first column you not take. Second row and first column you not take. You get 2 here. So that is minus 2. Next is A22, second row and second column you not take, means 1, means you get here 1. Look here, how we can write here adjoint. In short you can write adjoint of A, that will be a matrix. That will first you will have capital A11, then you have 1 2, then you have 2 1, then you have 2 2. All you understand? And then transpose. Okay, so look here, A11 we have 4, A1 2 minus 3, then capital A21 we have minus 2, capital A22 we have 1, and that you do the transpose. Transpose means first row you will change in first column, second row you change in second column. That is a answer, final answer. This is the adjoint A. This is the adjoint A, final answer. So hope you understand this solution. This is very simple. Look here, we can do again. This is matrix is given to you. You will find the cofactors. How many cofactors we get? 4 cofactors. For first row, A1, capital A11, capital A12, capital A21, a capital A22. These all 4 you find, and keep in mind this sum of these ij is plus even number, then plus, odd number, then minus. Okay. So I given you one order also, that you can keep the order also, plus, minus, minus, and plus. That also you keep in mind. So you can find. Now we will do the 3 into 3 matrix. This is a 3 into 3 matrix, and you have to find the adjoint. Find adjoint of this matrix 3 into 3. First row is 1, minus 1, 2. Second row is 2, 3, 5. Third row is minus 2, 0, and 1. So we write this matrix as it is, and here how many cofactors will be? 9 cofactors will be, because 3 into 3. So 9 cofactors you have to find. First cofactor will be capital A11, capital A12, capital A13. This is for first row. Second row will be, here will be 2, 1, 2, 1, A22, and A23. Then for third row A31, A32, and A33. This is for third row. So look here. Here we can write this plus minus. First a sign we can mark here. This is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. This is plus, this is minus, and this is plus. So this mark you can do. Now you will write direct value. You will not make here the matrix. Look here how we can write. Look here. We can write direct value. How we can write? First, you will not take first row and first column. First row and first column you will not take. This is first row and first column you not take. Then what is the remaining? Remaining elements you can see 3, 5, 0, 1. That you cross product. 3 1 ja 3. Minus 5 into 0 is 0. Calculation will be 3. Next is first row and second column you not take. So 2, minus 2, 5 and 1 you have cross product these. 2 1 ja 2. Minus and minus 10. Minus 10. Minus minus plus will be 12, and 12 minus minus 12 you get. Now you will not take third column. Third column you not take. What is the remaining elements are? First row is 2, 3, and minus 2 and 0. So you do this 2 and 3. 2 and 0 is 0. Then minus 6. Minus 6 here. This calculation will be 6 you will have. Look here. For first row it is complete. Now you will take the second row. Look here. You will not consider the second row, and you will not take the first row also. So remaining elements are 4 elements that you cross product. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, and 2 into 0 is 0. So calculation is 1. Similarly, you will not take the middle. So look here. Here also you can check. 4 elements are 1, 2, and minus 1, minus 2, and 1. Cross product this. So what you get? 1 into 1 is 1, and minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So 1 minus minus 4 will be 5. Here A23 how we can find? Means second row and third column will not take, means for 1, minus 1, and minus 2 and 0. This cross product 1 into 0 is 0, and minus 2 into minus 1 is 2 you get. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and minus you have 2 here. Similarly for third row, how we can find for third row? You can check. For third row you will not take third row. First of all you will not take first column. So look here. A31 you get. A31 means minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6 you have. So you have minus 5 minus 6, that is minus 11. Now you will not take the second column. That you will get here 32. A32 you get. A32 is minus bracket 1 into 5 is 5, and 2 into 2 is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and minus outside. So minus 1 you get. Next is here you can check. Third column you will not take. Third row and third column will not take. So you have here 3 1 ja 3, and minus 2. This minus minus plus you get 5. Adjoint A how you get? First row, these 3 elements are for first row. 3 minus 12 and 6 are for first row. Next is A21, A22, A23 are for the second row. 1, 5 and 2 for the second row. And for third row we have A31, A32 and A33. That you write minus 11, minus 1 and 5. That you have to do the transpose. When you do transpose, you will get the cofactors. This cofactor you have to transpose, means adjoint A will be transpose of these. So transpose means first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. That is the final answer, and that is called the adjoint of this matrix. Hope you understand this. Thank you.